Hey all my homeowners, this is Josh Sternberg from Sternberg Law Group. In this video, I am going to talk to you about autos, Chapter 13 bankruptcy, automobile loans. When we file Chapter 13 bankruptcy, we're going to be carrying very similar debt across the board. Most people have mortgage debt, most people have credit card debt, and most people have auto loan debt. There are, of course, other types of debts: IRS, franchise tax board, secured against a boat. These are all different types of debts, but the most common, again, are mortgage, credit cards, and automobiles. In this video, we're going to talk about what you can and cannot do with your automobile debt. If you're a debtor, which means you're the person filing Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you want to ask your attorney, or you want to understand, what do I do with my car payment? You've got a few options. The first option is you can just continue paying it directly. So if you have a $500 monthly auto payment, you file bankruptcy in August, in September, you just send them your $500 payment. That's called a direct payment option. The direct payment option works great if you're happy with your car and you're happy with your car payment and you're current with your payment. The direct payment doesn't work as well if you're behind on your payment, if you're not happy with your car, or if you're not happy with your auto loan. Another option is taking what's owed on the automobile loan and including the full balance in your Chapter 13 plan. Now, a Chapter 13 plan, remember, is 60 months. So you might be asking yourself, why would I want to pay this out over 60 months? And the reason is, let's say your balance on the automobile loan is $6,000. Your monthly payments could still be $300, $400, $500 a month because that monthly payment is based on the contract that you signed a long time ago. But what you can do is you can take the $6,000 balance, you can put it into the Chapter 13 plan and spread out that balance over 60 months. If you take $6,000 and spread it out over 60 months, you're talking about a $100 monthly payment on your automobile. So by that $100 payment going through your Chapter 13 plan, it decreases your monthly expenses because you no longer have an automobile payment. It's just that $100 going through your plan. So for debtors that have tight budgets, that are looking to lower expenses, that's often a great option for them. One thing to understand though is, because it's taking you a long time to pay off that automobile loan, that extra 60 months, you're not going to hold title to the car until you finalize your last payment. It does change the amount of time it takes for you to own that car free and clear. Another option is called a Cram Down option. This is a fantastic option in Chapter 13 bankruptcy. It's also called a motion to value. The slang for it can be cram down motion. Technically, most courts are calling it now a motion to value. What is a motion to value? A motion to value means that you might owe $20,000 on your car, but your car is only worth $10,000. So what you do with this motion to value is you say, I'm gonna put this loan through the bankruptcy, but I'm not gonna pay $20,000. I'm only gonna pay the $10,000 that my car is worth. So your attorney would file a motion for you, proving to the court what the value of the car is, and then they cram down the loan to $10,000, and then you pay the $10,000 loan over the life of the plan, over the 60 months. Great way to save money on cars that are upside down, and a lot of automobiles are upside down. Now, one very important caveat with the cram down is it has to be an old loan. So you can't go out 6 months ago, 12 months ago, get a new car, it's upside down, and then try to cram it down. No. Here, our district, the loan has to be more than 910 days old. Okay, 910 days old, which if I do the math, I think is 2.5 years. So your auto loan has to be more than 2.5 years old, and then you can look into that cram down option. So those are the three most common options: pay it directly, pay it through the plan, or cram it down and play it through the plan. Okay, hope that's helpful. Any questions, write me a note on the comments here. Subscribe to our channel if you want to get updates on these videos. They're meant just to help homeowners. And if you have any direct questions for me or my staff, always feel free to call us. You can find us online at SternbergLawGroup.com. Thank you so much. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope this video was helpful.